Hello and welcome to my feature highlights in November 2025 with SAP Datasphere. Another great month with lots of new features and enhancements in our two final releases of this year. So let's check out my top features in November. Data access controls. So this small enhancement is super powerful and really my favorite feature of November. You can now use values in custom attributes provided by your identity provider as identifiers in your data access controls and define conditions that apply to users with these values. Why is it powerful? Because using these attributes allows you to apply a single condition to all users whose accounts contain that specific attribute value. Meaning, you can now group users with these attributes to assign permissions to a group instead of to individual users. The second one, elastic compute nodes. So when an elastic compute node is starting or stopping, you can now cancel that process. That is especially helpful if you accidentally started or stopped it in the first place. So the data is then rolled back and restored to the state that existed before the start or stop process was initially triggered. The next one with replication flows. You can now increase the maximum number of parallel jobs up to 16 to run replication flows. Before that, the maximum was 10. So this increase is helpful when you need more parallelization for certain flows. Transformation flows. On the transformation flows in a file space, new aggregation types like minimum, maximum, count star, and average have been added to the already existing ones with last, sum, and count. The next one, local table on files. Two small but helpful features in local table on files. With the first one, you can now cancel a running merge task from the local table on files monitor using the new cancel button. So very helpful. The second one allows you to disable the delta capture setting when creating a local table on files, either from the table monitor or as a target of your transformation flows. There are two nice features I want to share with you regarding the Excel plugin for SAP Analytics Cloud. There is a new high volume mode with a performance optimized table, especially targeted for export scenarios with more than 1 million cells. So you can now switch to this high volume mode in the table's context menu. And the next one is about a preview version of the plugin itself. So you now have the option to discover and test what's planned for the next version of the add-in. This preview version becomes available about 3 weeks before the official release of the next version. And you will find more information with SAP Note 3652483. Last but not least, I'm happy to announce a great new learning opportunity for all you data architects out there. Our colleagues from the learning department offer a new learning journey to become a SAP data architect. So what a great opportunity. All in all, again, very cool features helping you to use SAP Datasphere way more efficiently. Thanks for joining me this month for my feature highlight overview. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up down here and keep following me on LinkedIn. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. So take care and see you soon.